on the bench today, I have the HAUSHOF 2-liter half-gallon pressurized sprayer with 2 different adjustable nozzles. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. I'm going to use this for gardening. Came packaged great in a box. Everything was wrapped in plastic. So inside the package, you are going to get a set of easy-to-read instructions. You get a decent-sized 2-liter capacity bottle. It's lightweight, feels like it's made from some type of durable plastic. I've been playing with this for a few days and everything's holding up great. There's a line on the side so you can see how much water you have in here. It's got a screw top on it and a nice size opening right here. You get the lid with the pump on it, and that's obviously just going to screw onto this section right here, and I'll show you that. The handle on this feels great to me. It's very ergonomic and very comfy. You're going to get 2 different types of nozzles, and if you look inside of here, there's a little rubber O-ring inside of each of these little seals, so that's good to keep everything pressurized. These are 2 different nozzles for 2 different applications. The water nozzle right here works as a mister and a sprayer, and the foam nozzle works for applications where you want to add some type of soap or detergent into the mix, like washing your car, for instance. And you get a couple of other parts that I'll show you here and here, and you get this measuring cup for adding whatever it is you want to add into here for foaming or disinfecting, etc. All right, so got some water in here. You definitely don't want to overfill it. If you overfill it, it becomes harder to pump. When it comes out of the box, it already has the foaming nozzle attached. This is one of the parts I was talking about. So if you can use this as a foamer, go ahead and put this piece on right here and insert it. It already comes that way. So if you're using it as a mister, you're going to have to remove this, but I'll show you. You're just going to screw it on. You take this little gray piece right here. The instructions show it going this way, but it actually goes this way. So you just set it in there. You put your foaming nozzle on. You can adjust this sprayer this way or this way. And you're basically just going to pump it. It'll pressurize it. You press the button and you go. So on the handle right here, there's actually a locking feature. So you press this down, press, and it just goes automatically. You don't have to hold on to it. You can unlock it just like that. And if you want to depressurize the bottle, just do it that way. Simple as that. Also, if you're using it as a foamer, you could obviously put some detergent in here, throw it in there. Good to go. So if you're using this as a mister, we're going to take this nozzle off. The gray piece is going to remain. We're going to put the misting nozzle on. We're going to take the foam nozzle off right here and just put the tube back in there. Screw it back on, and you're ready to go as a mister, which I'll demonstrate over here. I'll have some video going for you. You just pump it and you're good to go. Look at that. When you're using the misting thing here, you can also turn this cap and make it shoot more of a stream, which I like. That's kind of cool. So there you go. A nice little lightweight pump sprayer. That would be great for everything from cleaning around the house to applying soap to your car to watering or misting your plants. All kinds of uses. Very nice.